Tuesday, January 16, 2024. Saint Joseph Vaz, patron of the Archdiocese. Focus. When you enter a town and they receive you, heal the sick in it and say to them, "The kingdom of God has come near to you." Saint Luke makes 3 references to the manner in which Jesus expected his disciples to undertake the work of preaching, healing, and proclaiming the good news. The first instructions were directed to the 12 apostles. The second were for the larger group of 70. Jesus empowered both groups with his own spiritual authority to heal and proclaim. He also gave them guidance on how to deal with rejection. As Jesus' ministry proceeded and met strong opposition, his instructions to his disciples perforce became more somber and nuanced. These also apply to us today. In the information age, opposition to the gospel has assumed diverse dimensions. Although the church has harnessed social media to its own use, it is drowned out by the strident babble of the ungodly. How then can we carry out the Great Commission? The answer may lie not so much in the mere proclamation of the kingdom as in its being lived out at the grassroots by spirit-filled people in small Christian communities. Saint Joseph Vaz clearly believed this. He nurtured lay leaders and built small communities of the faithful across Ceylon. Fruit. I will do whatever I can to help my SCC members live exemplary Christian lives.